Hey guys, we have a new science TEK for this week. So the new TEK is 4.7a. I'll read it and then we will kind of pull it apart and see what it means. So our new TEK says we will examine properties of soils, including color and texture, capacity to retain water, and ability to support the growth of plants. Let's see what this TEK kind of means and kind of give you a preview about what we'll be doing this week. So basically what we're going to be doing is this first sentence here, this first phrase. We're going to be examining the properties of soils. That's what we'll be doing. Examining means like we're going to look at something, right? And what are we going to be looking at? Well, we're going to be looking at the properties of soils. Soils is another word for like dirt or the ground outside. There's different types of soils and we're going to learn how to tell the difference. Now you might be asking, well, what is a property of soil? We're going to be looking at that, but I don't know what that is. That's what the rest of this TEK means. So we're going to be looking at the properties of soils. That includes a couple different things. So what are the properties of soil? Well, it means the color of the soil, which means what does it look like? What color is it? If you've ever gone outside, you'll notice dirt in different places are different colors. You can have really, really, really dark soil, or like a beach is really light soil. When you go outside, when you're walking home or outside at the playground, or if you walk outside your house, look down at the ground and look at the dirt to see what color it is. And then if you go to different places, look at the dirt there to see if it's the same color or if it's a different color, because the color tells us something about the soil. Also, what texture is the soil? This is going to be what does the soil, what does it feel like, how it feels, right? Some soils are really soft. Some soils are really, really rough, like sand, kind of like, that's how they make sandpaper. It's really rough. But then you have some soils like potting soil is really soft and kind of fluffy. So what does it feel like? I encourage you, go outside and feel the dirt outside your house. I mean, ask your parents, but still touch the dirt. See if you can feel the different textures. Is it soft? Is it rocky? Does it have a lot of stones in it? What does it feel like? The other properties of soil are its capacity to retain water. Now this one is a little tricky. Capacity is like another way to say its ability. So its ability to retain water. Now we probably don't know what this means, but to retain water means its ability to hold onto water. So soils a lot of the time, when you put water through it, it can hold on to some of that water, and some of the water it lets fly through or flow through. So you will be watching, probably not actually doing. We normally do a lab where you guys get to test this, but since the pandemic, it will be a little tricky, but you probably get to watch it. I think in one of the EduSmart videos it has it, where you will test different soils and see how much water it will hold on to. So that is the capacity to retain water, or the soil's ability to hold on to water. And the last one is the ability to support the growth of plants. Is it able to support the growth of plants? Is certain soils are better for growing plants than others. So this is where you would take, like, here's a cup of different soils. So say this is soil A, soil B, soil C, right? And you plant a seed in each cup. These are 3 different types of soils. You're going to test which type of soil makes the plant grow the best, right? That's how you would test the ability, right, for which type of soil is able to support the growth of plants. Because maybe this one is like rocks or something, and the plant didn't grow very well in this type of soil, but maybe this other type of soil is better and the plant is actually growing. So there's different things that we can test this week and next week that will test these different things. So again, I just want to go over one more time. You're going to be examining the properties of soil. The three main things that we'll be studying are color and texture, the capacity to retain water, and the ability to support the growth of plants. So three things: color, texture, can it hold on to water, and can it help plants grow? So that's our new teak. Hopefully you'll have fun this week looking at soils. If you're at home, I encourage you to go outside, look at the soil around your house or apartment, and just kind of dig up the earth a little bit and look at the soil, see what color it is, see what texture it is, see if plants are growing there. Maybe notice where plants aren't growing and look at the soil in that area and wonder why. Well, why are plants not growing in this area and plants are growing in this area? So just kind of be an explorer this week and look at the soil that's in your life. Okay, have fun. I'll see you soon. Bye.